Angie Liu here from eXp Realty, and I'm so excited to show you my brand new listing at the Gardens in Richmond. Welcome to the Azalea. I'm on cloud 9. I am so in love with these top 3 things that are so dreamy with your new home.
Wow! Look at this gorgeous place!
Oh, my sanctuary! This top penthouse floor unit comes with soaring 9-foot high ceilings and 734 square feet of living space, boasting 2 spacious bedrooms and 1 bath. Oh, and the best part? Your very own in-suite washer and dryer. Did I mention secured side-by-side parking spots for 2? You love cooking, right? A super clean kitchen and a strong secure turbofan that really sucks good for that gas stove cooking, and the most clean fridge ever. Perfect for entertaining. Number 2, amenities galore. A Gardens has over 6,000 square feet of awesome amenity space, and it's adjacent to a 12-acre park. Number 3, super convenient location for all you need by foot or car. Transit, food, and retail are at your front door. 4 minutes to Ironwood Plaza and Woodward Elementary, 7 minutes to McNair Secondary, and so much more.
Call me now before your dreamy Cloud 9 baby is sold.